Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
2020 elections here there. Nkrofo your margin say buga pa na wo mode ko na enye easy. Now this particular one no, I think that this is the second one. And you know, I'll report on it. The first one no, I thought that no, it wasn't really say me reported, but as a see for the second time, you know, I am reporting on it. And therefore, you are seeing the picture right in front of you. Papa now what left no, were ye MPP PC, ye ka PC address parliamentary candidate. Ewo a year trip on it. Now trip on it hono. Say I don't know. I think the seat is for NDC. I stand to be corrected. But Papa, we your friend Honorable Abdul Razak Tahidu. I don't know whether the seat is for NDC or MPP. I stand to be corrected, as I said. But Honorable Abdul Razak Tahidu no, one no a parliamentary candidate for the MPP. Now he doubles as the DCE. That same as DCE district hall. And I just was standing here for primaries last year, and I just said we win here. It's here for now. Someone is seen in na NSA. Papa ni fie enim. And I brand here na wakoto hono. Wodi juju. Kwa akoshe papa ni fie enim. Utumi hu se anaju da siom. And I brand here kodi sa adwumen. Na branch a picture now huno police watching na handcuff shenensa and a police for edeno eba fi ho say won betre senia na wo ya ade no na wono a eda fom ho a wo tre senia na nka wodi juju no eba be plante papa ni fie nimpe na branch eba be plante juju yi wodi juju eba be hye ho juju ne ma say juju ne ma papa ni nwuo say enye den no one knows but nipa bonefuo bi adia wa plan se wo de koye papa no mi aga sama adwemu mi hunu se bia na opese papa ne bu ana wo yare ana ye bibi etiefo ayedi o elections ba kope nyama ACC enye easy in assembly there we don't know more details on this particular matter, but this is the only thing we know. And so we don't know. Police one name Mabontin Bekai say a branch and na juju no was he say. But a man assembly in ano akwa ye bibia wo because Nkrofo so ka say na juju spiritual matter there usi there in the court. Nini nano police for nim. How they will say the matter in court no? Because Mekai won't say ya ne yetai kan say spiritual matters who see them in the court. Mekai say Endrechi police handle Ghana police handle our Twitter will be beside omo assembly because it was about spiritual matter and I will be posted the constitution. Now that part of the constitution na police for the can say they are shocked because omokra no mu nim. Say was talking about spirituality say bibisa no still police for to meche. Inti I want na make you say enye yanso na Ghana for ya na ye ka say spiritual matters they all the court encourage no now so na we your constitution nim even the police they didn't know you be na twin Twitter obi na twin asem ne buy and a police for no reply in Nkrofo no e kan answer na nipa ko ne bisa police for no say hey that spiritual thing no matter na see na say na police for no dey o ka say o mo de court na tretre nsemu one police when they just enforce the law a court no and I will implement it court ni na tre say law we you see intino asem no se ne akwa no yes obi be ka say oh we there spiritual matter a court enkosi aga but yen hwe senior police for no be handle this case just say asem we there me there sisi awon nipa hu nyem just say me Uti bibi cry, I'm not surprised anymore because Nancy nipa bonin semwa what no enye easy and na ju de assume na wo juju no ye adwuma sa na nke ye cheo ade ne wanye juju se wo kwa na nka wa ye invisible wo kwa na nka wada ne mframa na wakoye ne yanchew na so wo kwa na ya chew nipa trimodi o nipa trimo den rough na essence assembly eni kwan ena meka no di kwan se wo bi di assembly eye politics de nti ameka se ni kwan se wo di politics ni se ebia na eye o se eye NPP parliamentary candidate ena aye ni nti no o de be she NDC. Listen to the second story. That second story, no, it happened somewhere last week, but I just didn't report it. The second story, no, so Sam George, Honorable Sam George, Nimgo Pram, where womo MP. One also sa obi kofa ne picture. Ena nipa kuni de ye nyankomade ena police woko chase nipa kro no. They ko YouTube and ko Google na ko Sam George even spoke on it. Say Adom FM said there one of the radio stations called Sam George. And I will be sound and say, "Man, I know Sam George has on video won't through because I know there was some yame into him say nipa kuni juju and nipa kuni de ye ne ano na asem ne kran say on no Sam George ne supporters bi and asem ne ye omo hia omo ma police for ko chi abrante no Sam George kan no anako no asem boyi won kan ho hwe. In both political parties no esi intia na America say any kwan say what they politics no because me sure say me report it first about the NPP there no we NPP ni America say and the NDC for NDC ni intia afa me kan NDC Sam George there no so ye de ye na no so America say NPP for na ye ana we hu inti no there wa hono no nsem bi say ye ba ye na ye try as much as possible to remove politics from it. But same way there. I know nam. Papa. Hey, Master, that is why I have said. I told you. Said the way these politicians just within this time will move. No, for me, no, Master. For me, no, and your ways how. And you're normal. For all you know, maybe a papa so. If I am fan say yes, juju no ni nyama. For all you know, na kieko ye juju ya na ke a papa so. Na sorry, nyame mensi. Maybe a papa so ya sansa ya kote say when you accident and away from. For all you know. Na eno so abedani asem say ye dey na esi a politician si ewi. Won say me kan za asem no. Mbebo mpaye ayem mumbo mpaye o politicians si we organize prayers. Would you say national prayers na one person be organize crowd to all the politicians in the constituencies, Mr. Remo? Would you say Friday crana organize your people in your constituency? Ghana for Nkrofo Pempaibo. Ghana for your Pempaibo. Would you organize the people in your constituency? So obi amba kra na Nkrofo 5 kra ba na masa Nkrofo 5 Nyankopon say Nkrofo 2 egada kra woni dimu awo ho. Nipa ba ko kra bompaye eye adwuma nti Nkrofo 5 kra ba na mo bompaye minyaya nanka NDC ni MPP constituencies ni na wo mo be yes ade no abompaye. For all you know, these are some of the things happening behind these recent deaths. Ne sanse wo mo no san Nkrofo ne yanchi o mu ni nti no untumi fa nkohye juju ba we de ya chi ne Filika dochi ya chi no na wonam fom o odafom o handcuff nation inside. There is a video, but video no copyright and say to me video no. Nan say me catch mo say copyright nan say in Ghana. In so talk akra me nya hu video. Flood esisi ya me di video ne bremo. Me ha ne say copyright. Ya send me YouTube for send me email and the video na makwa me say wa hwe. Nini na mu ntio e ya na insem ni bi wo wa me pese mu hu videos no. Mami the video ne beto ope na fe YouTube for ba betata me say ya ne ene say ni say nti sisi ade videos ne de mesremo mo amunim de da mi to me mbo tina ka me bo video ne tremo but o de ko Google man caught planting juju at MPP parliamentary candidate house ube hu say video no and nam social media e wo Instagram or Facebook or Twitter and nam bebia it will be to me a video na hwe enye yera kwan o de Google one heading na ye de sa story we o de copy the heading na type google.com na click a box ni mu na paste heading ne keke o be hu video na make kan asem no na branch na trese ne a juju no wo ye no wo fom ho ne nyama nipa nye ai mo tell my comment box ni mo me da ase